Hi, we are the Galactic Lions, and today we're going to answer a few requests we've been getting about how to reliably use a color sensor to determine whether or not you're looking at a skystone. So right now you should see our robot using a Rev V3 color sensor to determine which stone is a skystone. The algorithm I'm going to give you is really just an expression. It's something we came up with by messing around with Rev V3 and V2 color sensors and figuring out how you could really reliably determine whether or not you were looking at a skystone. So the condition number, something I'm going to define in just a second, for a V3 color sensor is 3. For a V2 color sensor, the condition number, let's call that CD for abbreviation there, is just 2, just the number following the V. The sort of quick expression that you need to know is RG over B squared. This is just the result of a lot of experimenting and a little bit of inspiration. So what we really wanted to do was normalize the color values, because in different lighting environments and really based on the distance the color sensor had between itself and the skystone or stone, the values it was reading back were dramatically different. So we tried normalizing by just the blue color. So really we've normalized R with regard to B and G with regard to B, where R and G and B are all just color values that are being read back. And all this expression does, let's call that the total color condition, CC. If the color condition is less than or equal to the condition number, you're looking at a skystone. That's just because it has a much darker sticker on the front, and this expression allows you to reasonably determine whether or not you are looking at a darker sticker versus that orange, bright orange that's on the skystone. Thank you, we are 5898, and I hope this was really helpful.